As per our tradition, we have to invoke our God of wisdom, that is Lord Ganesha, by praying Ganesh Vandana. I will ask.
स्वस्ति श्रीगणनायकं गजमुखं मोरेश्वरं सिद्धिदं बल्लाळं मुरुडं विनायकमढं चिन्तामणिं स्थेवरम् लेण्याद्रिं गिरिजात्मजं सुवरदं विघ्नेश्वरम् ओझरं ग्रामोराञ्जन संस्थितो गणपतिः कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलम् कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलम्.
Thank you, Miss Rucha. That was beautiful. And again, as per our tradition, we have to inaugurate our Capicon 2020 by lamp lighting ceremony. I will ask all the delegates, all the faculties to come forward. Sir, please. As you know, our president, Dr. Amrut Sultani, and our secretary, Dr. Rahul Dewan, has put a lot of efforts in conceptualizing this conference. Now I'll request our president, Dr. Amrut Sultani, for the welcome address.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of API Kolhapur, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for this inauguration ceremony, which will be immediately followed by Dr. S.K. Kulkarni Oration Award. On behalf of all of us, I would like to thank Professor Dr. M.B. Agarwal sir for accepting our invite for this Oration Award. It's indeed a great honor and privilege for all of us to have you here today evening. It's really heartening to see that Capicon, which was first conceptualized in 2013, when I remember I was the secretary, and Dr. Shailendra Mani sir, he was my chairman, has now grown into this annual pilgrimage with increasing attendances and some high quality academics. I mean, just today evening, we had a talk on artificial intelligence in infectious diseases by Dr. Om Srivastava sir, which I thought was something really very new and very interesting. Capicon has been evolving over the years, and each year we are having discussions on a variety of topics with newer and newer speakers each year. Capicon is a wonderful opportunity for all of us to not only interact with the speakers, but also to interact and share our experiences with each other. We have been adding some new facets to Capicon each year. Last year we had started a quiz competition for the postgrad students, and this year, today afternoon, you could have seen from the response. I mean, we had 12 teams from various medical colleges, and the enthusiasm was absolutely infectious. Tomorrow morning, we'll be having a free poster and paper presentation for the PG students. I am also looking forward to tomorrow's post-lunch session, where we will be discussing some very interesting cases. It's going to be very interactive, and we will be involving the entire crowd. Before I finish, I would like to say that Capricorn has been a real team effort involving a lot of hard work and planning over the last 3 months. And for that, I would like to thank my team, my secretary, Dr. Rahul Diwan, the EC members, API office boys, event planners, and not to forget our pharma friends. So welcome again, and I hope that all of you have a very productive and satisfying weekend. Thank you so much.